How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's show you on how you can create a box with a lid in Tinkercad. So before we proceed, I'm going to edit out my measurement into imperial, which is going to be inches, because I'm more used with inches, not millimeters. But either way, it's going to work the same if you're using other measurements. So from here, we can easily edit out the measurement by clicking on the white dots at the corner of your box. And then let's do something like 5 inches with this one. And then let's do the same thing with our other one right here. And now, of course, we then want to move this to the center. And for the height, let's do the same thing, which is going to be 5 inches. Now for our hole, you want to place this onto the other side or right beside your original box. And then from here, you could just do the same thing, but with this one, let's reduce our size into something like 4.5 inches for each size or each corner right here. So now we could easily align them together by simply selecting them both. And then from here, you want to click on align, and then you could just click on the center button right here, which will simply align them together. So with the first one, it's going to be at the center, and then for the second one, it's going to be at the side of the options right here. So the only thing left to do now is to simply combine them together now that we have this shape. But for now, I'm going to edit out my second shape right here. And basically, I've just made sure that it's floating a little bit onto the top, not onto the bottom right here. So just highlight them both together, and then we can click on the union group option, which will then make this box right here. Now that you have a box, of course, we also need to make our lid. To do that, once again, you could just add another box onto your model right here or onto your work plane. And basically, you can edit out the same thing with the same radius itself. So with this one, it's going to be exactly the same thing. It's going to be 5 inches, 5 inches, and the height is going to be something like 0.5 inches right here. Because once again, this is only a lid that we are going to use. Well, now that we have this one, we want to make sure that this perfectly fits with our box. So what we can do is to simply ungroup this, and then you just want to make sure that the diameter is correct. So let's check the whole diameter right here. And then with this one, it's going to be 4.5. So now that you're sure with your diameter, you could just bring them back together. And then let's add another square right here. And then with this one, you want to apply the whole diameter, which in our case, it's going to be 4.5 to 4.5. And then you could make sure to place them together or align them together. The same thing that we did right here. And of course, I'm going to reduce the lid size right here. Now that we have this one, highlight them together, click on align, and then let's align them perfectly. Now that we have our lid, you can make some minor adjustments if you want to, because if you actually did the 3D printing, sometimes it will shrink depending on your printer. So let's just click on the union group. And now that we have our lid and our box right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.